Long balloon bow tutorial. Let's get started. First, take out the prepared long balloons. Fully pumped. A single blister 10 fingers wide. Then twist out a single bubble about 2 fingers wide. The same operation applies to the bottom as well. Fold the balloon in half to find the center. Tighten the bottom balloon. Fold the top half of the balloon in half and twist it tight. Adjust the shape of the balloon. A cute bow is all done.